Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to identify unknown numbers from any app using Truecaller. So first thing you have to do, open up your Truecaller app and you're going to see profile, search, and the three dots. Click on the three dots and you're going to see your settings. Click on the settings and you're going to click on calls, which is under general. Click on call, and first of all you have to actually set Truecaller has default phone number, but you can skip that. And you're going to scroll down to see under number identification. You can see, let me just give it a mark. You can see this right here where it says number identification, identify number or other apps. So you have to toggle this on, and once you want to toggle it on, they're going to tell you to actually allow Truecaller to access your notification to help you identify the unknown caller on all messaging and chats app. So you're going to click on go to settings. Once you click on go to settings, you're going to toggle on the Truecaller app and you're going to allow Truecaller. So once you do that, you go back and you can see that the Truecaller app as the identify number on other apps has been toggled on. So this is literally how to do this. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.